Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this kind of operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here on the upper edge of your device here. So what you can do about it, you just have to put the tool inside the hole next to the slot. The slot will come out, then you can eject it with your bare hands like this. And here you can put your SD card, and right next to it you can put your SIM card, and then put it back into your device. Wow, it's really hard to put this SD card. And then put it back into your device just like this. Wow. And as you can see, it requires PIN code to my SIM card immediately, which is the proof that SIM card is read it. Let's enter it. And there is also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.